What we are sharing today is some of the best Black Friday camera deals and news in 2021, only to name a few in our list, starting by the Lumix DCF Z80 from Panasonic. Pairs an expansive 60x zoom lens with high-resolution stills and 4K video shooting functionality. Boasting a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and 40x optical zoom, the black PowerShot SX740HS digital camera from Canon, all-in-one point-and-shoot, can capture things near and far. Catering to vloggers and content creators, the white Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile multimedia camera with a well-rounded photo and video feature set. The PowerShot G7X Mark II digital camera from Canon is a compact point-and-shoot characterized by its large feature set. Utilizing a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor and Digic 7 image processor. The Canon EOS Rebel D7 is a sleek entry-level DSLR featuring versatile imaging capabilities and a helpful feature set. The lightweight black Sony ZW80 digital camera is a compact point-and-shoot that features 20.1 megapixels inside the 0.3 Super HAD-CCD sensor, and has a professional Sony 5x optical zoom lens with a 35mm equivalent focal length of 26 to 130mm.